Greetings from Asktenali, and today we'll be talking about conduct at meetings and negotiations. Sam is working. He is working as a sales executive, and there are regular meetings and conferences and negotiation meetings he has to attend regularly. And he has a doubt how to conduct himself. Let us see. First thing is, you have to be punctual. If you are late, that shows unprofessionalism. Dressing is very important. You should be neat, clean, simple, formal, and it's very important that you dress appropriately. Mobile phone etiquette should be strictly followed. If it is not required, put it on silent mode or switch it off so that you are not disturbed by any incoming call, and also do not cause disturbance to others. Now there will be a sitting pattern. There will be specific people allotted specific seats, and he has to respect that and accept it and sit accordingly. Be well prepared. He has to prepare himself, and lack of preparation will show that you are not ready or unprepared. Speaker is a very important person. You have to respect him. You may agree or not agree, or you may have doubts. You have to wait for the speaker to finish his speech or his whatever he wants to share, and you have to finish till the session is over. And if you want to talk to either of your partners or people sitting next to you, don't do that during the meeting. Keep it for sessions before the meeting or after the meeting. When you follow such, or you have a proper conduct, you will be accepted for your professionalism and respected. We at Asktenali conduct regular seminars. For more information, you can visit us. Our website is www.asktenali.com. Thank you.